हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल स्पीक इंग्लिश विद प्रियंका में। मैं हूं प्रियंका, आपकी इंग्लिश ट्रेनर। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूं हर बार पेपर में आने वाले मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन। सो आइए आज का लेसन स्टार्ट करते हैं। A speech without previous preparation. Extempore. Extempore. दोस्तों इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। Extempore. Next one is a person who can't pay debt. Insolvent or bankrupt. A man with evil reputation. Notorious. Notorious. Next one is something dull and boring. Monotonous. Monotonous. Too much official formalities. Red tape. Red tape. To favor one's own relatives. Nepotism. Nepotism. A person who easily believes others. Credulous. Credulous. One who is a lover of books. Bibliophile. Bibliophile. One who spends money lavishly. Spendthrift. Spendthrift. A place where birds are kept. Aviary. Aviary. Notice of somebody's death in a newspaper. Obituary. Obituary. Next one is placing a thing beside another. Juxtapose. Juxtapose. Inability to sleep. Insomnia. Insomnia. A person 80 years of age. Octogenarian. Octogenarian. A doctor who treats eye diseases. Ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist. A doctor who is a specialist in the treatment of tumors. Oncologist. Oncologist. A study of sounds is known as phonetics. Phonetics. A short trip or excursion. Jaunt. Jaunt. Child of unusual or remarkable talent. Prodigy. Prodigy. Next one is a mournful poem or song. Elegy. Elegy. A man who is controlled by and a little frightened of his wife. Henpecked. Henpecked. The careful examination of your own thoughts or feelings. introspection, introspection. Extremely beautiful or carefully made. Exquisite, exquisite. A poem that has 14 lines. Sonnet, sonnet. A field covered in grass. Meadow, meadow. The study of teaching methods. Pedagogy, pedagogy. Seeing something which is not actually present. Hallucination, hallucination. The act of renouncing the crown by a king. Abdication, abdication. A person with narrow religious view. Fanatic or bigot. A medicine that induces sleep. Narcotic, narcotic. Words written on a tomb. Epitaph, epitaph. A person coming to a foreign land to settle there. Immigrant, immigrant. One who is greedy. Voracious or avaricious. A person in his 70s. Septuagenarian, septuagenarian. Believe that God is in everything. Pantheism, pantheism. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.